the swimming pool, please start taking up the entire reason. We don't like. Nobody likes.
I'll tell you what, listen to me. Listen to me. You said something about people coming. People cannot come because there will be a wall. There will be a wall that separates.
And there is no way to teach children. Yeah, waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of money. Disease like what is the money?
But that means we all go swimming now.
We enjoy it. We have a beach day, we have a water day, we have a
No, that's the misconception that some people are giving you.
make something else, make something sporting, a change room, or toilets for children, washroom.
I am Isaac Prasadam and I am the Secretary of the YMCA at the Central Branch, and we have been using this ground for the last 40 or 50 years now for the sports, along with the schools that are neighboring schools and schools that come from a little distance away, including the municipal schools. We are agitating against this swimming pool because this will adversely affect the playing of the children in this area, because the activity that will be introduced will bring in very people with a little more money to spend, and the other children would feel a little left out in the bargain. This could be avoided, and this ground could remain as a ground for the children to play in every nook and corner of this ground, whatever game they are interested in. Especially we have basketball, volleyball, football and athletics happening in this ground. All the locals in this area have also come behind and supported this agitation, and we have taken it up to the levels of the mayor, the chief minister, the MP of the area, and we have been talking to them to cancel this project so that the children and all the schools can continue to use this premises. Thank you.
मेरा नाम संतोष वीर, मैं कुलाबा शिवसेना शाखा प्रमुख 225 का शाखा प्रमुख हूँ। जो 2007 से बैग गार्डन सबीना पार्क जो इशू चालू है, उसके लिए शिवसेना पूरी ताकत से उसका विरोध कर रही है। और हमारे युवा सेना प्रमुख आदित्य जी ठाकरे, इन्होंने तो खुलेआम उसी बैग गार्डन में ऐलान किया कि यहाँ पे सबीना पार्क मैदान ये फुटबॉल के लिए रहेगा, वहाँ पे कोई स्विमिंग पूल वगैरह होने वाला नहीं है। उसके बाद उन्होंने खुद महापौर सुनील प्रभु उनके साथ मीटिंग लेके इस प्रोजेक्ट को जल्दी से जल्द जैसा विरोध होगा वो हमने महापौर सुनील प्रभु के सामने भी ये बात हमने कही। उन्होंने भी ये बात एग्री की कि ये स्विमिंग पूल होना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो स्लम एरिया के फुटबॉल पट्टू है वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, खेलते हैं। वहाँ पे 4 साल में 4 बार फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट होती है। उस ग्राउंड में खेलने वाले हमारे भूतपूर्व फुटबॉल पट्टू बंड्या काकड़े जो इंटरनेशनल खेल चुके हैं, ऐसे बहुत लड़के हैं कि वो ग्राउंड में खेलने के बाद अच्छे अच्छे ओहदे पे है फुटबॉल के माध्यम से। और ये वहाँ पे फुटबॉल के लिए सबीना पार्क बैक गार्डन रहना चाहिए, ये हमारे शिवसेना का पूरा विरोध है। इस विरोध में कुलाबा के सब पार्टी शामिल है इसमें, और वो विरोध सब पार्टी आप अपने तरीके से वहाँ पे कर रही है। मोस्टली वहाँ पे जो स्कूल है सेंट एन्स कैंपेन स्कूल, फोर्ट कॉन्वेंट, होली नेम, गार्डन स्कूल, उनका भी वहाँ उस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए विरोध है कि वो बड़े लोगों को उनका जो सपना है कि वहाँ पे टावर होने के बाद हमें ऐसी पता चले वहाँ पे टावर हो रहा है और वो टावर वाले को वो स्विमिंग का फ़ायदा होने वाला, हमारे जैसे स्लम एरिया के रहने वाले को वहाँ का कुछ फ़ायदा होने वाला नहीं है।
मैं दिनेश वाघेला, भारतीय जनता पार्टी वार्ड अध्यक्ष 225 का। यहाँ पे ऐसे कि पानी की समस्या है कुलाबा में, जैसे कि आज़ाद नगरी, वहाँ पे पानी की समस्या काफ़ी है। और यहाँ पे हमारे जो है प्रतिस्पर्धी वो स्विमिंग पूल की बात कर रहे हैं, वो बहुत सारा गलत है। यहाँ पे हर पार्टियों का विरोध है। कहने का मतलब क्या है, जहाँ झोपड़पट्टी में गरीब आदमी को पानी नहीं मिल रहा है वहाँ स्विमिंग पूल की बात कर रहे हैं। तो ये न होते हुए यहाँ पे पानी की समस्या जो है घर घर पहुँचाने की वो करे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा।
This is the only playground in our vicinity where all the schools, locals are using this place as an open space where all the activities like football, basketball, volleyball, kabaddi, kho-kho, everybody can play out here. Now we got to know that this is going to be converted into a BMC swimming pool, and it is going to be for an Aam Aadmi. So if it is for an Aam Aadmi, so why the car parking is required for an Aam Aadmi? And what are the nominal charges they are going to have? And here basically we got to know that he's going to make a swimming pool for the locals, for the slum people. Now the slum people need open space. Now he's going to give lakhs of liters of water for the swimming pool. But why can't you all provide water taps for each and every house in the slum? So instead of doing all these things, and basically ground is a must because of the educational stress, the level of education. This is a playground where you need to remove your stress levels. In swimming pool, you cannot do that much the way what we can do. We are not basically against the swimming pool, swimming as a sport, but in this particular ground, we do not need it. And really, if they do want to give Aam Aadmi the swimming pool, so there are a couple of outside the places available in Kulaba, Kafred. Why don't you all have it over there? We will support you all. If you all really want to do something for the underprivileged children or for the Aam Aadmi, so why don't you all do it over there? Why are you all depriving these people from the open space, whatever that? Because this is the only space we have. And demolishing one sport ground and having a swimming pool just for some vested interest is not done. The people those who have vested interest, they are reaching out to people, convincing them that why you need a swimming pool. So I feel instead of convincing them now, okay, so before putting the plan, before sanctioning it, so why didn't you ask the Aam Aadmi? Why are you reaching out to people now?
Yeah, my name is Rajiv Daryanani. I am from Aam Aadmi Party Kulaba Committee. We have various issues. One of the major issues which has come up is the swimming pool in the back garden. Now we would like to make people aware that whether swimming pool is the need of the hour or proper sporting facilities is the need of the hour. There are about 10,000 students playing on this ground. Football, basketball, volleyball, other sports. Now if you are going to cut a 15% portion of this ground, it is like cutting our hands and legs. I am basically a sports lover who is also with the BMC school in football. The children are so talented that we need proper infrastructure for soccer. Our bigger students practice on the bigger ground here, and the smaller students practice on that portion where they want to make a swimming pool. If a small child doesn't get a place to practice, how is he going to develop into a player? Even though this ground is too less for us, In fact, it is so less that we are cooperating within ourselves with the schools, and every school is taking limited time to practice on this ground. To cut a 15% portion would really be like cutting our hands, and there is no water facilities on the ground till today, and you're talking about a swimming pool coming here. Our BMC children do not have taps in their houses, and you're talking about a swimming pool coming here. The infrastructure in Bombay, the roads are made very badly, and we are talking about a swimming pool coming here. What is the need of the hour? Are we going to develop the city in the right way, or just try to think that everybody does whatever they want, and who are people who are in politics can influence people, but the development should come in the right way.
मैं BMC स्कूल को कोचिंग करता हूँ, जो स्कूल बहुत गरीब है, लेकिन उन लोगों को खेलने के लिए जो ग्राउंड है वो अभी फ़िलहाल वो ग्राउंड पे अभी स्विमिंग पूल बन रहा है। लेकिन हमको स्विमिंग पूल जो है उसके स्विमिंग पूल आने के बाद हम लोग के बच्चों को जो ग्राउंड है वो खेलने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा। लेकिन उसके लिए जो भी स्विमिंग पूल की हमको तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन जो बच्चे का जो ग्राउंड है वो उधर हम लोग जो प्रैक्टिस करते वो ग्राउंड नहीं रहेगा तो हमारे बच्चे कहाँ पे खेलेंगे। और वहाँ पे वो लड़की लोग का भी टीम आता है, बॉयज़ का भी टीम आता है। वहाँ पे कुछ चेंजेस ऐसा करो कि ड्रेसिंग अपने बच्चों लड़की लोग के लिए चेंजिंग रूम भी नहीं है, तो वहाँ पे कुछ रूम बनाओ चेंजिंग रूम के लिए बच्चों लोग के लिए, या कोई पानी की सुविधा। ग्राउंड जाएगा तो हमको कुछ हमें कहाँ पे भी कोचिंग नहीं कर सकता है कि ग्राउंड से 2 पैसा जो हमको जो मिल रहा है उससे हमारा घर चलता है। और ये जो ग्राउंड जो यहाँ पे हम जो सिखाते उसकी वजह से हमको ये दो पैसा मिलता है, उससे हमारा घर चलता है। अब ये ग्राउंड हमारे से निकल गया तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते।
मेरा नाम मोजेस नायडू है, मैं BMC स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ। मैं 3 साल से वहाँ स्पोर्ट्स कोऑर्डिनेटर का काम कर रहा हूँ। मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हमारे स्कूल में ज़्यादातर फुटबॉल खेलते हैं और जो स्लम एरिया के बच्चे सारे, और हमारे कोलाबा स्कूल में कोलाबा एरिया में ग्राउंड सर बहुत कमी है, और एक ही ग्राउंड है जो BMC का है। लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल वहाँ पर स्विमिंग पूल का कोई प्रोजेक्ट आया है, लेकिन हमारे गरीब बच्चे कहाँ जाएंगे। अभी वो स्विमिंग पूल हम बच्चे तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे स्लम के, और हमारे आजू बाजू में पूरे ये सी साइड एरिया है। हमारे बच्चे तो वहाँ तैर सकते हैं क्योंकि उनको तैरना अच्छी तरह आता है, और बाजू में समुद्र है तो समुद्र में, क्योंकि सारे बच्चे कुली जमात के हैं काफ़ी बच्चे लोग, तो हमको स्विमिंग पूल की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। हमें ज़्यादा करते यहाँ फुटबॉल बहुत पॉपुलर है कोलाबा में, तो हमको फुटबॉल के लिए ग्राउंड चाहिए, तो वहाँ पर हमें स्विमिंग पूल की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं रखते हम कि हमको स्विमिंग पूल चाहिए। तो हमारे गरीब बच्चों को स्विमिंग पूल तो समुद्र है, हमारा स्विमिंग पूल है।
2010-11 में भी ये लोग ने स्विमिंग पूल का प्रपोजल लाया था। इसके बाद वापस अभी ये 2013 में लोग ने स्विमिंग पूल का प्रपोजल लाया है। वापस हम लोग ने मोर्चा करेंगे। हम लोग यहाँ पर स्विमिंग पूल होने देंगे नहीं, क्योंकि स्विमिंग पूल की जगह पे बच्चे लोग यहाँ फिटनेस करते, फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करते आफ्टर द मैच, क्योंकि ऐसा ही ग्राउंड छोटा है, टीम बहुत रहते, तो थोड़े बहुत टीम जब यहाँ खेलते बड़े ग्राउंड पे, तो छोटे टीम बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट पे 5 साइड बच्चे लोग खेलते, तो उसका ये फ़ायदा है हमको वो जगह का। ये लोग बोलते हैं वहाँ स्विमिंग पूल बनाएंगे और यहाँ ग्राउंड पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा। इन ग्राउंड पे हम लोग का मेन प्रॉब्लम स्विमिंग पूल का यही है कि हम लोग वहाँ फिटनेस करते हैं, 5 साइड टूर्नामेंट खेलते हैं या बच्चे लोग खेलते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ ग्राउंड पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि यहाँ स्विमिंग पूल नहीं रहे, जैसा ग्राउंड है वही टाइप से रहे।
ये जो ग्राउंड है बहुत लोग को उन लोग का ब्रेड एंड बटर देता है। There are a lot of people who have played out here, who have trained out here, been from Holy Name, etc. Have also been who have gone on to play for the railways, etc. Then there have been a lot of players who have earned bread and butter from here, like Nitesh Monde, who's been from the BPT colony Colaba. He is a boy who never expected, but now he's in such a team like ONGC, who's earning about 25,000, and even on off season, this is the only ground where they get to practice. Then take for example Arshad Nair, who's represented India under 16, is also playing for a I-League team, Sporting Club the Goa. Again, that guy has been born and brought up out here. If this ground goes, there'll be a lot of people who lose their bread and butter, because a lot of teams like FIFA Colaba, Magic Bus, Dena Bank, RBI, everyone comes here to practice because during off season, Oval is shut, which is the other ground in South Mumbai for the teams to practice. This is the only ground where people get to practice a lot. So it is, we will never let the swimming pool happen because a lot of people will lose their bread and butter and schools won't have a ground to play with.
These children from all the slums over here, Colaba, they need space to play over here. Pool, they don't need the pool. In their locality, they have the sea, the beach side, they enjoy the rain and all water over there. But they want the space to play over here. Because slums has no space to play for the children. Since they are studying here, they come here and they play, enjoy themselves.
मेरा नाम हरक सिंह बिष्ट है। मैं कपिल कुलावा क्षेत्र में 1989 से झोपड़पट्टी के गरीब बच्चों को निःशुल्क शिक्षा पढ़ाते हुए आ रहा हूँ। अगर इनके पास जगह है स्विमिंग पूल के लिए तो इनको इस क्षेत्र को छोड़ के दूसरे क्षेत्र में अपने अलग ज़्यादा जगहों पर कहीं भी अच्छी व्यवस्था करनी चाहिए। सारे क्षेत्र के बच्चे वहाँ पर स्विमिंग पूल कर सकते हैं, उसमें उनको बहुत फ़ायदा मिलेगा।
I had proposed that there should be a common man swimming pool in South Mumbai and Colaba in particular. If you look around, we have nearly 30 to 40 swimming pools, but most of them are private. They belong to either 5-star hotels or to some big clubs, which is out of reach to the common man. The municipal corporation is within the framework of the law to construct a swimming pool in an RG which can be open to the common man. The idea is to see that this Sabina Chandrasekhar Recreation Ground comes up as a multifaceted sports facility with swimming, basketball, football and all other activities in one particular ground. I was surprised when some of the people who are from the elite mentioned that the common man or the poor people or the middle class should go and swim in the sea. I don't agree with that version. I think it's dangerous. I think it's bad. I think everybody has a right to swim in a common swimming pool. Basically, I feel that there are certain political vested interests who want to stall this project. But I think it is in the interest of Colaba in particular and South Mumbai and Mumbai in general to have this common man swimming pool. We have tried to address all the problems, tried to take everybody on board, and ultimately whatever we do, whatever we propose, whatever we support will be in the interest of the common man, in the interest of all. Only 15% of the ground will be used for the swimming pool. Football will remain as it is. Basketball courts will also be there. Only it may be relocated. And the idea is to have multi-sports facilities under basically in one area.
I'm Ashton Kapadia and I'm the chairman of the Jal Taran Talao Haq Samiti, and we formed the Samiti only because we want a swimming pool in Colaba which can be used by the common man. Today there are so many swimming pools around in South Mumbai, but they're all in private clubs which are used by the elite. But there is no swimming pool for the common man. The closest swimming pool is in Shivaji Park, Dadar, and that's a model swimming pool of the BMC. We want to make a model swimming pool over here, right in Colaba, and we have been kind of going past a lot of resistance. There are some people who spread rumors that we want to make a private clubhouse over there, and the swimming pool will be a part of that clubhouse. Completely false, bogus. Some say we want to make a big parking lot for the elite to come and park the cars and we gain something out of it. Absolutely bogus. Well, still others keep on saying that there's going to be a 5-star building which will have a swimming pool, and that's that swimming pool. So some say that there's going to be a 5-star hotel also. Now we want to make this swimming pool essentially because the common man does not get the right to kind of swim in this area. He only can swim in the sea over here, and the sea is full of garbage. The sea is full of defecation, human defecation, and there is no pool for them. So we would like to see the common man also prosper. We would like to see the common man grow, and we would like to see him one day participate in events like the Asian Games, the Commonwealth Games, and the Olympics. And we know of many stories of people who came from very humble backgrounds who made it to the top in the world of swimming. And this is one step towards it, and I hope we are allowed to do it.
बैक गार्डन में स्विमिंग पूल बनना ज़रूरी नहीं है, और जो जिन्होंने बात किया है हमारे बारे में, कोली लोग के बारे में, क्या समुद्र का पानी गंदा है, ये हमारे समुद्र के पानी को गंदा बोलने वाला ये है कौन? किसान की खेती है, किसान के लिए खेती लोग ज़मीन है उनकी, वो उनकी माँ है। वैसे समुद्र का पानी भी हमारे लिए हमारी माँ ही है। हमारा धंधा पानी पूरा इनके ऊपर ही है। आज जो भी हम कर रहे पेट के लिए हमारा समुद्र ही है।